Has anyone ever gotten the temptation to bust your diet just out of pure convenience? In other words, is anyone feeling tired from all of the cooking and meal prep that comes along with dieting? Do you feel the urge to splurge just one day or one meal? We get it. Not only do we understand what you are going through, but we also have your back. Today's recipe is going to help you out during your busy week by eliminating the need for so much meal prep. By popular demand, we are doubling down on desserts this week, maybe even triple. Today we have a recipe for delicious coconut snack bars. These bars are no-bake, vegan, paleo, low-carb, and low-sugar friendly. We know your time is valuable, so let's get started. The preparation time is around 2 minutes. The cook time will be about 3 minutes. You should plan to spend around 5 minutes making your coconut snack bars. This recipe makes 20 servings. Keto side dish recipes by Healthy Helpings presents coconut snack bars. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of coconut oil. 3 cups shredded unsweetened coconut flakes. Coconut can encourage the body to burn fat, provides quick energy to the brain and body, may help reduce the risk of heart disease, may boost heart health, keeps you hydrated, may have antimicrobial properties, may encourage the body to stay full longer, may reduce seizures, eliminate scalp infections, and may encourage the health of the skin, eyes, and teeth. 1/4 cup monk fruit sweetened maple syrup. However, you can also use pure maple syrup, agave nectar, or honey instead. Also, keep in mind, honey is not vegan. Monk fruit fights infection, decreases the risk of diabetes and improved diabetic symptoms, may help prevent cancer and cancer progression, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of obesity, can help combat fatigue, and relieves allergy symptoms. Here's a tip: do not use generic sugar-free syrup or pancake syrup. The bars will not form properly. Always begin by washing your hands before handling any of your tools, containers, and ingredients. Line an 8 by 8 inch pan or 8 by 10 inch pan with parchment paper and set aside. A loaf pan will work as well. Add your shredded unsweetened coconut to a large mixing bowl. Add your melted coconut oil and monk fruit sweetened maple syrup, or sticky substitute, and mix until a thick batter develops. If it is too crumbly, add a little extra syrup or a tiny bit of water. Pour the coconut snack bar mixture into the lined pan. Lightly wet your hands and press firmly into place. Refrigerate or freeze until firm. Cut into bars. Enjoy. No-bake coconut snack bars can be kept covered at room temperature for up to 7 days. They can be refrigerated for up to a month. They can be frozen for up to 2 months. Check out our other recipes for keto-friendly raspberry cheesecake, brownies, coconut pancakes, and more. If you like what Healthy Helpings has to offer, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Help us grow by sharing your stories and favorite recipes with us in the comments. We may feature your recipe and personal video link if you've made a tutorial for your recipe. Thanks for watching.